Good evening, students. So far we have learned about multiplication of two-digit number by two-digit number. Okay. So now, and multiplication of three-digit number by two-digit number. Now it's time to solve some word problems. Okay. So now we will discuss about word problem. So word problem 1 is a tray of eggs contain 12 eggs. Means in one tray there are 12 eggs. So how many eggs are there in 8 trays? So you have to tell that how many eggs are there in 8 trays. So we are knowing that one tray is having 12 eggs and we have to tell that how many eggs are there in 8 trays. Okay. So here one tray equals to 12 eggs. Okay. So 8 tray equals to, we will write 12. 8 times 12. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 trays. So each tray is having 12. So 12 plus 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 12. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. So here we have to add 12 8 times. So we can write it as 12 multiplied by 8. So when we know about 1, and a question is asking for more, then what we do? We do multiplication. Here we know that one tray is having 12 eggs and we have to find about 8 trays. So what we will do? We will do multiplication. So 12 8s are 96. So there are 96 eggs in 8 trays. Okay. Now question number 2. Mansi bought 9 pens. How many pens she bought? She bought 9 pens. Cost of 1 pen is 25. So we have to tell that how much money she spent on buying 9 pens. So we know that cost of 1 pen is 25. So 9 pens will cost 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25 and 25. How many times 25? 9 times. We have to add 25 9 times, or we can write it as 25 multiplied by 9. So we will multiply 25 by 9. So we will do the multiplication here. 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4 is 22. So how many rupees? So Mansi spent how many rupees? 225 in buying 9 pens. In question number 3 also, Prakash bought 16 cactus plants for his garden, and we know that cost of one plant is, each means 1. The price of each plant means one plant is rupees 175. So we have to tell that how much money Prakash spent in all. Spend in all means how many cactus plant he bought? He bought 16 cactus plant, and we know that cost of one cactus plant is 175. So we have to find cost of 16 cactus plant. Okay. So statement is cost of one cactus plant is 175 rupees and cost of 16 cactus plant. So how can we find it? We find it by multiplication. So we will multiply 175 by 16. So first of all, 6 5s are 30, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 3 45, 6 1s are 6, 4 we will add 4, then it will become 10. 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1. Now we will find the sum. cost of 16 cactus plant is